Aloha, fellow dreamers, and welcome to Royal Pacific. I'm sure you guys are wondering, what are they doing at Royal Pacific? Literally like a day ago, you were in Minnesota. It's true. Like literally 2 days ago, we were in the not too cold, but snowy Minnesota. Quick trip home. We actually didn't make a lot of stops. Got home, and then Hunter and I unpacked, repacked in just a few hours, and we are down at Universal Orlando Resort. So it's actually just a girl getaway because Kelly has a ton of Boy Scout stuff going on this week. So Tim and he are actually staying at home to get some of that stuff done. And I had a few meetings in Orlando, so Hunter and I decided to make it a girls' trip to Universal Orlando Resort. So we are here at the Royal Pacific Hotel, and we have lots of fun in the next few days. Are you guys ready for it? Make sure you click that red subscribe button so you can join us on all the fun. But first, it is almost 9 o'clock, and we have not had dinner. So we're gonna hop on the boat and head over to Universal City Walk. And the really cool thing about Universal City Walk, it is perfect for a first day at Universal Orlando Resort because it is open until 2 a.m. So we're gonna be able to get some dinner, maybe go see a movie, and actually have some fun on our first day here at Universal. You guys ready for some fun? I know you are.
To Toothsome Chocolate Factory, and I'm hoping to get a shake, preferably the confetti cake. And Mom got a little sandwich, and I got Caesar salad. And Mom asked me, "Are you really being healthy?" And I told her, "I'm not being healthy. I'm getting a milkshake."
I just think it'd be very exciting, a party in the cup, walking and sparklers everywhere. What is glitter? Edible glitter. I recently discovered edible glitter. Isn't that the most amazing thing you've ever heard of? Yeah, I was thinking of creating a new milkshake using fairy floss. You call it cotton candy. A cotton candy milkshake with the edible glitter around the outside and a unicorn lollipop on the top. I was going to call it the unicorn milkshake.
That sounds cool.
Dinner was delicious at Toothsome Chocolate Factory. How was the dessert?
It was so good.
That milkshake, they definitely improved the milkshake. Oh, that was so good. All those sprinkles and piece of cake on the top.
At the time, they were in soft opening, and they were very busy when we got it.
Yeah, so we think our first experience with the milkshakes wasn't quite as good. This one was awesome. So now we're stuffed. It's like 11 o'clock at night. We had a super late dinner, but it was so good. All right, we are off to bed. doing a little more exploring through City Walk, and then off to bed. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Keep on dreaming. Bye.
Love you all.
Bye.